Deploying packages in 8.12 and higher. Let's start by signing into EnterpriseOne and logging into the DV900 environment, or whatever environment you'll be deploying to. Close the tip of the day. We're going to drill down into Report Management, Batch Processing Setup, and select the Job Queues application. We're going to pull up the enterprise server we're deploying to in the host name field. In this case, it's Lab ENT1. Do a find, highlight each queue, and select Change Status, which will disable them. Do another find to ensure all the job queues are disabled. Now we're going to minimize this and type WSJ for Work Submitted Jobs. Select Lab ENT1, which is the enterprise server we'll be deploying to. Enter a star in the user field, and for status I enter less than E. Do a find, and you'll see there are no jobs running or in the queue. Just to show that we have the queues on hold and that it will work, I'm going to submit a job. I'm going to log into HTML in the environment we are deploying to, which here is JDV900. Click Submit Job. The job we are going to submit is R00006P. Select the default options and submit it. Now I'm going into Form Submitted Jobs to make sure the job was submitted. You'll see it there at the bottom at a status of waiting, and it has the right time and date, so we know it is the job we just submitted. Now we are ready to deploy. Go to the main menu and drill down System Administration Tools, Package and Deployment Tools, and select Package Build. Highlight the package we want to deploy and click Deploy. Click Next, select both Client and Server, and click Next. It's not going to be mandatory, so click Next. That client is going to be Office Spare 2, so select it and click Next. Our enterprise server is selected by default, so click Next. Activate the package, drill down, highlight it, click Deploy, and click OK. The PDF has come back showing that the deploy was a success. Now let's check if the job we submitted is still waiting. And it is. Go ahead and release the job queues. Go back to the Job Queues application. Highlight and select the host name Lab ENT1. We are going to highlight each queue and select Change Status. Do a find to ensure they are unlocked and close out EnterpriseOne. Now let's go back to our HTML session and check on the job we submitted earlier. You will see that the job is done. As soon as we release the queues, the job went into a processing status and finished without interfering with our package deployment. Go ahead and close everything down, and that's it.